high thing. I think Disney was $30K almost every day. It was insane. Here we go. Oh, the body bags. The bodies hit the floor. Hi. Wait, what? No, we did the wrong way. That way, I think. Yeah. Wrong way.
I don't like the bug shot. No.
Oh, the crawling bugs. Spiders.
They're good on the run. Sometimes you gotta run after them. Help me, please! I don't want to be
I hate those things.